It's been a while. I'm back with a little recipe, a little treat, a little chocolate treat for Christmas. It tastes really nice, and it's so few ingredients that even I will remember when I go to the shop what I need. So few ingredients, super easy to make, and it tastes nice, and it's so much fun to do something a little bit, special for Christmas. Even maybe with the kids, they love doing these little treats. And mine are coming home from school in about an hour, and then they will have this and have a little surprise. So here are the ingredients you need. You can see so few. A little bit of sugar, some dark chocolate, raisins, oat, and butter. That's it. So the first thing is 75 grams of really dark, lovely chocolate that we're going to melt. And then we also need 100 grams of butter, but I've cut it up to 50 and 50 because we're going to use it at different times. And then here are all that lovely oats. So I use gluten-free oats, obviously, and this is 1.5 cup of gluten-free oats, and raisins. So these are ordinary sort of standard raisins. It's a cup, and that is about 150 grams. Have I said sugar? Yeah. So sugar, 1/2 cup of ordinary caster sugar. Of course, if you wanted to, you could use like coconut sugar or anything like that, but it's nice to have it fine. Otherwise, it might be a little bit crunchy. Take your chocolate and break it up to smaller pieces, because we're going to melt this in a bain-marie. Now we're going to melt it in a bain-marie. So you start by just taking an ordinary pan, boiling the water, and then just a ceramic or a glass bowl on top. And this is where we put the chocolate now. What this will do is we'll melt the chocolate without burning it. And with this, we also put in 1/2 of the butter, so 50 grams of butter. And now we're just going to melt this together. Okay, it's all melted. Look how beautiful. And now we're going to just put in everything else. The other 50 grams of butter, the sugar, just mix it all up. The raisins, yum, yum, yum. The smell is amazing. Such a Christmas treat. And then, last but not least, lovely healthy oats. Comes the oats. Okay, I'm going to take this off now and just really mix it up. Remember, this is hot now. So what I'm going to do is just use these silicone molds, just put them out. I'm not going to fill them up, just so they've got something to stand in, and then push it together a bit form some sort of ball shape, but it doesn't have to be like a ball. And then put it in. Now you put all of these in the fridge to set and, you know, be a little bit harder, and then just take them out as and when you want them. And yeah, it's going to be hard to keep them in there because these are yummy. And you know, the raisins and the oats makes it a little bit more of a healthy treat for Christmas. And also fun to do with the kids. And just after 30 minutes, they're all done. Sometimes I put them in the freezer if I'm really in a rush and I want it really quickly. Otherwise, just put it in the fridge, and it's now sort of not rock hard, but really quite hard. So nice. Really nice. And because of all that oat, it feels you get a little bit full as well. Obviously there is sugar, but you know, the oats sort of counteract the sugar in this one. So you will get a little bit full as well, which is good. So you won't have too many. These are best kept in the fridge because they obviously contain butter. So, but just keep them in there and have one, and you know, they're super yummy, and have them for Christmas. I will have a couple of more recipes, you know, a little bit naughty but nice recipes leading up to Christmas, but yeah, this is the one my mum does, and I won't see her this Christmas, so I feel a bit sad about that, but because of that I'm doing a few of her recipes, and she's got some really good ones. So this is the number one. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, hit that bell button if you want to know when I've got new videos out, and take care and have a fabulous time, and I will see you soon. Bye.